I wonder what it is.
New Connects.
Yeah, it's new Connects.
Can I open it?
Yes, you can. That's from Grandpa.
Yeah. Some more Connects. Open it up for me.
Sure, bring it over here.
Take a picture of it first, okay?
Okay.
I want to look.
That's a car.
Car?
Yeah, that's a remote control car. We'll have to charge that up and you can play with it.
Yeah. Take a picture of these. What's this?
We'll have to find out. Why don't you open it up? That's from Mommy and Daddy.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Can I open it for you?
You can open it, yes. Do you know what it is? It's a video game system. Of your very own. Yes, where's that other little present? Yes. Yes, why don't you open that up too? That's for Mommy and Daddy too. It's from Mommy and Daddy. It's for Link.
For me?
Yes, Mommy and Daddy got that for you.
What? What is this? What is that?
Turn it over.
What is this?
It's a Cars video game for your system.
So, can I open it for me?
Sure. Do you see the bike behind you?
Yeah.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
That's from Granny and Pop Pop. And I saw some stuff outside. Shall we go look at it?
What is it?
I'll go get it. That's for you from Grammy. It came today, just in time. Do you see what it is?
Yeah, I see on the box what is it.
What is it?
A choo-choo train.
What kind of choo-choo train?
A pickup train one.
A pickup train one?
Can we get this out of here?
Sure.
This will
Here, take that out. Yes, you can learn how to pop now. That's a fun present too, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a puppy present, right?
Yeah.
Wow! This is a fun puppy present.
Now, Link,
Can I pop it?
hang on. Now, do you know what kind of present it is?
No. What? What is it? Look at the menu of it.
What is it?
A passenger animal.
And what is it in that red box there? What do those letters in that red box there say?
Red box.
See the letters in the red square? What do those letters say?
The red square.
Yeah, on the package. Do you see the words? Do you know what that stuff is made of?
Train tracks.
It's Lego trains.
Lego train?
Yeah, you and Daddy get to put them together.